In this video, let us learn how to develop a GET HTTP API. So here, first, the main purpose of developing the GET API, second one called GET API, all resources. It has to be fetch all the resources. So again, we can go to our IntelliJ project, go to service class, service. Now we can develop a list of department DTO, get all departments. We no need to return any value here because we no need to pass any parameter. It returns a list of department DTO. So now we can move to department IMPL class. Here we need to implement a method get all departments. Here, so we need to inject repository dot find all. The repository dot find all returns list of department, but our method should return list of department DTO. So for that purpose, we need to write dot stream dot map. So now we need to pass department. We need to write a lambda representation. Department mapper dot map to department DTO. The same department object we should pass as a parameter. For this one, dot collectors dot to list. Collectors dot to list. So it returns which one? Department DTO, list of department DTO. So now save this particular one. Go to department controller. In department controller, so that is nothing but which is the annotation get mapping. We supposed to use get mapping departments. So here public, the method name is public response entity list of response entity list of department DTO. So now we need to write a method called get departments. We need to write a method called get departments. So here we are supposed to return new response entity DPT service dot get all departments comma HTTP status dot OK. So now this method returns which one? So response entity. It's supposed to return response entity. So now we need to provide list of department DTO because it has to return list only here. Save this particular one. Now we need to provide the URL, that is HTTP localhost :9091 /API /v1 / this is the department. So now we need to verify this one in a Postman whether it can able to. So again stop the request, stop the project, and again restart our project one more time. Department controller, it is giving error message. We need to find out what is the reason for error message. List, import the class list. We haven't imported, it should be imported from java.util. Yes, the control X. Yes, now the issue has resolved. So once after issue has resolved, go to Postman. So before Postman, right click and run the Spring Boot project and create a request now. Add request, display underscore all underscore departments underscore test case. So we need to provide the URL. The complete URL you need to bring. We need to provide the URL. Now if we can execute this particular endpoint, it has to provide all available departments which are available in the database. It has to be retrieve or it has to be fetch all available departments which are available in the database. Thank you.